Sup, Traps Trying here from Nitro Circus, SRT USA, and you're watching WRX Snowboarder.
Hello everyone, how's it going today? Today I got a pretty cool package in the mail. It's from Aeroflow Dynamics. So let's get this all busted out of here and see what we got. Now, I'm pretty excited about this one. It's a replacement for one that actually got in a little accident with. Looks to be everything here. The packaging's pretty good here. They didn't cut any corners on setting it out for sure. So let's get these unboxed and take a look here. So let's take a look at what we got here. Besides some hardware, and you got to have some stickers. These are the version 5 winglets. Now if you look on the side here, it's a little bit different than ones I had in the past that kind of came up like this, which was their V2. So the V5 looks a little bit more aggressive here. I think it's going to look a whole lot better on the sides, plus it's not going to have that middle piece. The middle piece is actually what got caught and damaged itself, and that's why I no longer have it here. So basically we got some holes here that are pre-drilled. Gonna raise the car up, take a look, see how I want to mount them, and go from there. So now I have the car raised up. Make sure you got your jack stands all ready to start some test fitting and see how I want to put them on. So rather than trying to pre-plan drilling all the holes, I want to make sure that everything lines perfect. So what I'm going to do is start right here. I'm going to drill a hole, attach this winglet, and then that way I'll be able to adjust it in and out to be able to figure out where I want to put it on here. So now we got the test fit done. Basically you have it screwed in here. I'm going to put these out wide quite a bit. That way I get the most out of the front here. It's already looking pretty good. It's already have the other 3 holes marked up. Basically all I have to drill them and bolt them. So the only thing I have left to do now is just tighten up all these bolts and we'll be good to go. Now take a look at that. It's looking real good. Now all that's left is just repeat the process on the other side. Since this one's in, super easy just to take some measurements once I get the hole drilled in and go from there. This install has actually been a lot easier than expected. So I now have these installed. They're looking really good. I like how it matches the way that the slit bends down right here to the winglet itself. Plus this style here is pretty cool also. So I hope you guys enjoyed this install. I know I did. As always, happy driving and enjoy.